Hello, good day everyone. Today we will see how to create a 3D two-step stool design in AutoCAD. Okay, let's see. First, go drawing units, UN enter, length type decimal, precision okay, unit set millimeters okay. Now go view control, select front view, go coordinate, click here, select view. Okay, now go line L enter, first point 0, 0 enter, create a line, click here, 50 millimeter enter, 420 enter, 175 enter, okay, delete this line, polyline PL enter, create a line, okay, offset or enter, 230 enter, repeat offset 20, repeat offset 13, mirror MI enter, select line, mirror line enter, polyline PL enter, first point 75 enter, click here, 200 enter, okay, exit, delete this line, copy, trim TR enter, repeat trim, okay, delete this line, okay, joint J enter, select all lines, enter, okay, now go fillet F enter, radius 20 enter, select polyline, select, okay, now go view control, select SE isometric, select world coordinate, okay, now circle C enter, center point, radius 12.5 millimeter enter, okay, copy CO enter, select object, enter, base point, distance 450 enter, okay, line L enter, first point, second point enter, okay, circle C enter, center point, radius 6 millimeter enter, okay, now go sweep, select object, enter, base point select, click base point, sweep path select, okay, repeat sweep, select object, enter, base point, select base point, sweep path select, okay, repeat sweep, select object, enter, base point, sweep path select, okay, go union, select object, select, enter, okay, now go rectangle, rec enter, first corner, dimension D enter, 200 enter, 500 enter, click here, okay, now go visual style control, select shaded with edges, okay, line L enter, create line, repeat line, create line. Okay, now copy CO and select object, base point, press shift key and right click, meet between 2 points, click first point, click second point. Okay, exit, copy CO and select object, base point, select, press shift key and right click, meet between 2 points, first point click, second point click. Okay, exit. Now go modeling, select extrude, select object, select enter, extrude height 20 mm, enter. Okay, go visual style control, select 2D wireframe, go solid tab, fillet edge, radius 10 mm, enter, select edge, select, select and enter. Again fillet edge, select radius 10 mm, okay, enter, chain select, select line edge, select edge, enter, enter, enter. Okay, again fillet edge, select radius 10 mm, enter, select edges, enter, enter, again fillet edge, radius 10, enter, chain select, select edges, select edges, enter, enter. Okay, go home tab, view control, select top, click here, select view. Okay, now go plane surface, okay, now go view control, select front view. Okay, move element, select object, base point, move. Okay, go slice, select object, enter, click point, click point, click here. Okay, okay, move element, select plane surface, okay, again go view control, select SC isometric. Okay, select world coordinate. Okay, now go material browser, AutoCAD library, select wood, select teak, drag and drop, AutoCAD library, select flooring, oak herringbone, select, drag and drop, AutoCAD library, select metal, iron black, select, drag and drop. Okay, now go oak, click here, click to image, sample size. Okay, close, click on stain color. Okay, select OK, finish, semi-gloss varnish, close, go teak, edit, click on image, sample size 500, enter, close. Okay, close, select plane surface, oak, assign to selection. Select steel frame. Iron black, assign to selection. Select solid. Teak, assign to selection. Okay, now exit from material browser, visual style control, select realistic. Okay, let's see. Go view control, select SC isometric. Okay, click here, select perspective, zoom, set enter, zoom window. Okay, now go visualize, render environment turn on, use custom background, tick background, click, type, select solid, color, click. Okay, rotation 80. Okay, enter, close. Now go render size, select full HD TV. Okay, now render. Okay, render complete. It's good. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.